humility because I know my story. Going back to the story, with this cold weather right here, my mother worked for some very rich people in Long Island, New York. And in weather like this, they asked my mother to make them burgers on the grill. That gave me the type of work ethic that I have today. Sometimes you have to suck it up and make burgers in a blizzard. So that's my work ethic. That's where I get that from. Because I know what she suffered through in order to have the things I have and the things that I've shown you. Now, as a videographer, I go into a scenario, the first thing that I'm doing is I'm identifying what's possible. Videography and photography gives me the opportunity to be in service of others in a magnificent way because I get to put all the attention on it where you can be effective. And you get to do it with refinement, zest, and zeal, and all of the things that make people who they are.